Well, hey YouTube modeling community, welcome back to another video. Today we've got another 32 Ford. This is number I don't even know. This one's a Sedan MPC kit. You know that's gonna have some issues. Anyway, I didn't run into too many major issues with it because I only used a couple pieces from the actual kit, aside from the suspension and the frame. This is highly cut up and altered. And you see the new floor that I got in there. And the old fuel cell that's older than I am probably. I got it out of a big box a couple years ago. Finally found a use for it. These are the tires from the kit and the wheels. They're good actually, I like them. Got the grill up here, nothing special about it. It obviously rolls, which is pretty cool. And I got the inside. The doors are just stationary because I didn't feel like making a hinge for them, but I wanted to open up the interior a bit more. See, there's not too much going on in there. You might be able to see some detail on the gauge faces in there. Got the needles and numbers all painted red. Really difficult to see on the camera. But that's really all there is to this build. Not the 283 that comes with the kit. It's a bunch of different 409s mashed together to make one pretty decent one. And the headers are from the 55 Chevy kit. The whole blower setup is from this kit. I had to alter the belt a little bit because it was too tall. So I shortened that and it worked out pretty decent. If you ignore the fact that it kind of leans back at the top, it's pretty decent. I'm very pleased with this kit though. Not much to it. Just a different build for me. Probably never going to build another one of these again. Unless I fully hot rod it like this and have to use as few parts from the actual kit as possible. The fenders that came for this one were twisted out of the box. Like badly. It set them down on the table and they wobbled around like this whenever you pressed one side down. So, you know, all that considered though, this kit came out pretty okay. Definitely happy with the build, definitely a unique 32 Ford for me. Instead of just having a bunch of 5-window coupes, now I have, well, a sedan, you know? Some variety to the collection. That's gonna do it for this video though. I'm gonna try to put on another one immediately after this one. Gonna be another hot rod. So I'll see you then.